Yeah, we've gone for this walk throughout the foresty sort of area and we've come across this really interesting place. It's quite old. I think this is like Bradwell Springs, a pumping station of sorts. But yeah, just behind me, here's the lads behind us and that. We've got Aaron here, we've got John, and we've got Thomas and Austin behind us here as well. We're out today and we're taking a look at this place behind us here. Let's take a closer look. There we go. Here's the entrance. First of all, we come to this, break glass for safety, something probably to do with fire precaution and that. Over here, what have we got here? Paperwork, liquid chlorine cylinders, and some other paperwork here. This is kind of hard to read, this stuff, guys. And there's this little officey sort of room here. In here, what have we got in here? I'm going to just put my torch down so we can see what's going on. There we go. So we've got chlorine gas under pressure, alarm gauge. Some more gauges here, guys, some different switches, replace cylinders and that. This is by Wallace and Tieran Limited. There's another complex bit of kit here, guys. Something to do with chlorine and water purification, I think. I will research that, guys, and I'll change that if necessary. There we go. And in this corner, I'm not sure what this is. It's some hanging thing. Maybe for gas or something, possibly. I'm not sure. Anyway. Take a look. Wow, look at this place. This is actually pretty massive, guys. Look at this. Nice. Completely hidden away and being reclaimed by nature. So let's take a look. Liquid cylinders. Something else here, guys. Some kind of tap. Wow. Oh geez, look at this, guys. This is pretty incredible. Look at all these. These are the pumps. Nice. Interesting bit of kit. Look at this. Huge. Absolutely huge, guys. Interesting. Got cable run channels down here, guys, for the cables. What have we got here? Got a filing cabinet here, guys. Small paperwork, folders, some kind of springs. There's even half a dead rat, guys. Look at this. Half a dead rat. Nice. I've got like some ink cartridges in here. Not in that one. And what is this? I'm not sure what this is. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And over here we've got loads of stuff as well. Look at this, some original paperwork here, guys. Bradwell Springs Station. This is a log for it. So you'll be able to add the date, time of visit, electricity, index day consumption, index night consumption. There's a whole lot of stuff on here, guys. And look at this. This is the stuff about the pumps. That says it there. We've got some interesting stuff on this table. Look, check this out. We've got this Puritha gas mask, original case. Unfortunately, guys, I've already checked, it's not in there. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to break it, but there's no mask in there, guys. You can take my word for that. But yeah, so there's that. We've got these old newspapers. Look at these. I don't know if they've got the date on it. Have they? Yeah, they have. Look, it's right here. 1979, guys. A year before I was born. You know, look at this. Brand new state-of-the-art Audi. Look at that, guys. Brand new. Wow. We've got some measuring charts and stuff for some of the machines here. I'm not entirely sure what it is. I mean, maybe if you work with water and you're in that industry, you might know what this is for. And if you do, drop it in the comments, guys, because I have no idea what it is really. I don't even know how it works, but still, it looks cool. Got this here, measuring the cell assembly. So let's have a look in here quickly. There we go, chapters, water, sample inlet line, buffer solution valves. You know, there's quite a lot in these books. I'm not going to go through all of it, but look, I'll just flick through it quickly. There's a lot of charts and a lot of information about the pumps, how they work, what they do, interchangeable parts, you know, how to look after them and that sort of thing, maintenance. Very interesting. Got a book here. This has got some kind of stamp on it, guys. There you go. Can you read that? Planned power cuts. Information there, guys. Got some more diagrams here. Vacuum regulating relief valve. There you go. So it's a breakdown of how these things work and are put together. Another one here. Gas control unit. Handwriting on there, 36 something or other. Instruction manual, guys. More of the same. Loads of pages still intact, telling you what to do, how to work things, how to manage the stuff that's here. Look at this, another one. It's even got a front cover, this one, guys. Look at that. And again, more of the same sort of stuff, I think. Got some more detailed pictures in this book, guys. Look at this. You know, more workings of different things here. A box of those charts. Whole box of them, guys. There's loads in there. I don't know if they are still in use these days or whether something's replaced them and there's more up-to-date technology now. But that's that. More chlorine. So they're quite on top of the chlorine here, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at all this stuff. This is just like left out on one of the benches, guys. Look at this place. Just left over. This is purely out in the sticks, guys. Just left. Absolutely just left behind. Nature's slowly claiming it back. Look at these pumps. Look at all these stuff. Look at this stuff, guys. I'm really interested to take a look at them. It's absolutely amazing. I can't fault this place. I've come here with the lads, obviously. We've taken it in turns to take a look around at this place, get our still shots and all the rest of it. But yeah, as far as Sundays goes, this is like quite a nice, easy, relaxing, easy-going day, guys. This is nice. The weather's good for it. It's a little bit on the hot side, I won't lie, but still. But yeah, take a look behind me, guys. Look at all this stuff. This is all the pumping stuff that has been left behind in here. Look. Let's take a look around this side and see what we've got. Look at these. Look at that. They've still got the original dials on the top here. Don't worry, guys, I'll zoom into these in a minute. But I'm just so happy to show you what we found today. Look at this. How often do you see a telephone box like this, guys? Look at that, it's old school. You don't see these anymore. It's the sort of telephone that I grew up with when I was a kid. Obviously I'm a genius, I know how to use one of these perfectly. Being brought up in the 80s and that's pretty much what everyone had. But here it is, there's one left over. There you go, guys, look. As I was saying, there's the telephone. Try and light it up a bit for you here, guys. Look at that. This is pretty much exactly the same phone that I had at home, same colours and everything. And that plastic bit in the middle, you'd put your emergency numbers in it or your emergency contact number. A lot of the time it would have 999 written on it. This one actually does, it has it there. And that little plastic bit in the middle, that would pull out and you'll be able to turn the bit of paper around and put different messages in there. I can't remember what this button on the top here was for. I'm pretty certain it was to put the call on hold, but don't quote me on that. I know that that also popped up and it used to have a number inside it. I don't know if that works on this one. No, it doesn't on this one. But there you go. But look at that. This is really unique little telephone booth, guys. Really unique. Really unique. And look, here they are. There we go, look at that, guys. That's on top of one of those boxes there. The gauge is there, amperes written on it. This stuff's all made by Watford Electricity and MFG Co Limited. Look at that, guys. This one's number 1. Here it is. This has got some more machinery in it. I don't know if we can even pick this up, but there's quite a lot of reflections in here, guys, but there's machinery inside here that does something. I don't know what it does, guys. We've got these written on the side here. There's like little plaques and stuff with some information on it. There we go. And we've got these handles lower down on the side. Some sort of control system, like it's got a kind of brake system, so you push the brake in so you can move. I don't know if we can move these still, but no, they're lodged in place, guys. But they would have moved to control, presumably, the flow of water that comes in and out of the area. Here we go. So there's 2 of those in here. There they are, side by side. Yeah, look at that. Can't get over the fact it's just been left like this, guys. And here we go, we've got one of those machines on the wall here. That's got the actual paper in it that I showed you on the desk a second ago. Look at that. It's got some sort of reading ruler, X100 M3/D, made in England. And there's the taps on top of it, guys. So yeah, plenty of relics left over in here. Look at these labels here. Amazing, just left. Wow. Look at these. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Really chilled out explore. Lots of interesting stuff in here, guys. Pump number 1. I've just seen something that I think I should show you. There's a manhole cover, and it appears to have been lifted. So I don't know if we've got a bunker, guys, or something to do with the water. But just from this angle, I can just about see a staple step, which brings me some joy. There we go, let's go and have a look at it. There we go, wow, look at that. Look how that grows. I'll see if I can brighten it up with my torch. There we go, look at this, guys. Look at that. There's the water, torch is at water level. There we go, staple steps leading down into this room. And we've got different pipes, you know. It's quite hard to get the angle here, guys, but trust me, there's pipes here. Let's see if I can get it from this angle. Here we go. There's another one there. There we go. Goes quite far down, guys. That's what I find. It's a shame it's so waterlogged. I'd like to go down there, but I didn't bring my swimming costume, guys. Here we go. So yeah, I'll stay away from there. I don't particularly want to fall in there, guys. So yeah, go out the back quickly, see what's through here. Got a nice little, well, I wouldn't say nice little, we've got a toilet in here, guys. And that's not too bad, it's not broken at least. But it is a bit scummy. So we've got an outside door here and a sink. There we go. And surprise, surprise, the sink actually isn't broken either. Amazing. So I think it's fair to say no one's actually found this place yet. We might be the first, I don't know. Let's have a look. Does the door still open? It does. And where does it go? It goes straight out to stinger nettles and brambles, guys. Don't think I'll be going out this way. Let's close that back up again. Try and keep it as nice as possible for the next people that come in. Amazing. Well, so that pretty much sums it up in here, guys. We've taken a look around, we've taken a look at these pumps here, we've looked underground in the drain area. It's got the staple steps leading down to some more pipes. Not entirely sure what everything's for, guys. Maybe you do. If you do, drop it in the comments. Be interesting to hear, especially if you work in this industry and you know what this stuff is. Please drop a comment. It'd be nice to hear from you. But yeah, guys, this is inside the Bradwell Springs pumping station, guys. There we go. So without further ado, I'm going to make my way out of here. I think I've covered just about everything. I think the guys are waiting for us outside. There we go. So back outside now at last. Bit of fresh air, guys. And yeah, just as I thought, the guys here are waiting for me. All right, guys, here we are. We're just leaving now. So got the guys in front. I'm last. I'm at the end of the line, guys. We've just seen some tanks and that. I've just taken some still photos of, and we're going to see if we can get a shot of those from outside this area. But first, we've got to dodge all this stuff, guys. There's bits of crap everywhere, stinger nettles, brambles, you know. There we go. Nothing new though, guys. We're kind of used to this stuff. So if I don't come home with a million bramble needles in me and a load of itchy skin, something's not right. Oh, I'm covered in pollen and stuff. There we go. Aaron's just leaving now. There we go. Nice one. Cheers, buddy.
No worries.
There we go. Ground's a bit dodgy around here, guys. It's like rabbit holes and all sorts, so all over the place. Probably got adders and all sorts in here. There we go. I'm just going to follow Aaron. There seems to be some sort of footpath. I don't know if that's what Aaron's previously just trodden or what, but I'm going to follow it. Seems to be a bit of a gap here. There we go, guys. And from the outside I can see them now. These are the original tanks, guys. So Austin was saying that these were once inside the pump house. So there they are. See if we can get a little closer to them, just from the back. There it is. There we go, look at this, guys. Up close and personal with the tanks. Look at that. So that would have originally had like a pipe bolted onto that. I have no idea how much water these would hold, but it's a lot. And there's another one hidden just behind here. So there we go, guys. It's been a pleasure. Absolutely blinding one, guys. So once again, out again today. This is Martin, Austin, Thomas, John and Aaron. Right, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. Remember to smash the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Till next time.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.